Okay, so let's do this. To add or join two tuples, you have the plus sign. So here, if we should print this out, see T and P have been joined together. So let's try it out here. Insert cell below. We see M equals tuple. Say 1, and then 2, and then let me see N, or let's say L equals 5, and then 6. So let's join them. So print M plus L. Okay, see we've joined them. Okay, so the next tuples do not allow item removal, but we can delete a tuple using the del method. Okay, so this you can't actually delete a tuple. Sorry, you can't actually remove items from a tuple. Okay, so if we should print this, you see we have this. Okay, so using the del, okay, we want to empty the items, so we use del and then okay. So let's print a. You can see name A is not defined because it's empty. Okay, so let's try that. Insert cell below. So let's say B equals. Okay, we already have B here. So B equals this. So let's print B 1 2 3. Okay, so you want to delete B. You want to empty B. So use del 2 brackets and then B. Okay, so you can see there's nothing stored in B. So the tuple B is empty. Okay, so let's do tuple methods. Okay, so tuple methods. So here we have a tuple with these values. We have 3 of the 4s repeated. So if we want to count the number of 4s, okay, that occur in this tuple, what we do is just n, and then we have dot count. Okay, so n dot count, when I print it, it should give us why isn't okay. So let's work it out somewhere. Let me create a new, let me insert a new cell. And let's say k equals, let's make a list. 1, 2, 3. And let me repeat it three times. And then add a 4. Okay, so let's print k. Okay, so we want to see the number of times that 3 occurs. So we just do k dot count. Inside the parenthesis, we put a k. K dot count 0. Okay, so sorry. K dot count. Sorry, 3. You want sorry. Okay, so 3 occurs 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So k dot count 3. Okay, so the item that we want to see its occurrence, how many times it occurs in the tuple. So we did that for 3, and then 3 occurs 3 times. Okay, so let's say we want to find the index position of 4. We insert a cell. So k dot index. Okay, so 4 is in the index position of 5. So let's try 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see we have 5 here. Okay, so we have tuple constructor. Okay, so here there's a list. Okay, we call the square bracket, there's a list. And then we want to find the type stored in A. I don't know why I keep getting these errors. Okay, so let me do that. Just insert this cell. Okay, so let's say chain equals square brackets 1 comma 2 3. Okay, so let's bring G. Okay, and then we want to find the type of G. So type two brackets the square bracket G. So it gives us a list. Okay, so we want to convert this list into a tuple. Okay, so what we'll do here is I'm just going to create a value, a tuple called, let's say f equals, and then I'm going to convert our b, so tuple two bracket G. So let's find the value. Let's find. So let's say f. You can see it's giving us a tuple. So we've converted the list G into a tuple. Okay, so let's see the type of f. So just type into brackets f. Okay, so it's a tuple. So we've converted our list into a tuple. Let's see any other thing to do here. So iterating through a tuple. Okay, so I'm going to insert a cell below, and then let's create a tuple j equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So for, let's say I in j, then colon, print I. Okay, so you can see we just iterated through the j tuple. Okay, each other method. So we have the tuple membership test. So we want to here we're trying to see print if one is in E. Okay, so let's try that here. Insert a cell, and let me just copy this. Control C. Paste it here. I'm going to change it to, let's say, V. So print parentheses, let's say 3 in V. So it's supposed to give us a boolean true. Okay, so we have 3 in our tuple V. Okay, so let's see what other thing can we do. Okay, so let's see something. Let's set below. Okay, so let's say print parentheses, let's say 10 in V. Okay, so we have the boolean false because we don't have 10 in V. Okay, so that's it for some tuple methods and then tuple. Thank you.